Also, guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a website that you should be using to check for news or check for fundamentals when you are trading BTC. All right. Now, one of the major mistakes most people do when they trade BTC is that they use Forex Factory to check for fundamentals. Now, it is actually a major mistake in the trading space because people confuse commodities with crypto with Forex. They are a little bit, they're not even a little bit, they're actually different. So, what affects there are certain news that affect commodity in a very huge way that do not affect crypto, and there are certain news that affect the forex market, all right, in a very huge way that does not affect crypto. Though on Forex Factory, if you go to Forex Factory, for example, you can see that the USD news, people categorize this news as something that affects both commodities and crypto. In as much as this is true, there are actually certain news over here that does have nothing to do with crypto. So you want to look for a website that filters some of those news so that you can pay attention to the news that actually counts. All right. So the website you should be using is CryptoCraft. Now, CryptoCraft only filters news that actually relevant to the crypto space or that can, cause volatility in the crypto market or in BTC to be precise. Meanwhile, Forex Factory cuts across a whole lot of anything that trades against the USD, but specifically majority of them are related to Forex. So to I want to show you. Let's just look at the data of this week, all right, so that I will point out what I'm trying to say. So on CryptoCraft, just the same way you use Forex Factory, if you filter this to this week, all right, and you set your filter to high impact news only, then now let's go back to Forex Factory, all right, and select this week. Now, if you select this week, I just want to use the data of this week to show you what I'm trying to say. Now, if you go to data of this week, you will see that these are the only news that as a BTC trader, all right. The reason I don't want to use the term crypto trader is when you say crypto trading, you're talking about not just BTC, but you're not talking about Ethereum, altcoins, and the other stuff. But what I'm being specific about is trading BTC alone, just BTC. If you focus on trading BTC, all right, or if BTC is the major pair that you trade or the major assets that you trade, all right. If you trade a whole varieties of altcoins, then there's another site which I might recommend. If you want me to make video about that particular site, you let me know in the comment section. That site actually tells you a whole lot of like network upgrades, pre-sale and all those stuff that can boost some of these altcoins fundamentals. So but this one is majorly for BTC as related to the dollars. All right. So in this particular week that we are, you can see that these are the only news over here, that the USD news over here that have effects on crypto. All right. Now if you go to Forex Factory, you see that we actually have other ones over here that are high impact news, that if you are using Forex Factory, you might want to be looking at this particular news over here, which is the core retail and retail sales. Now this news over here does not have anything to do with the crypto market. So if you are trading, for example, it gets to this particular time, you will not want to be bothering yourself about this news because they don't have any effect on crypto. So that is why Forex Factory is not good if you are trading BTC, because if you go to the cryptocraft, you see that here over here, those news are not high impact. They don't have any effect on the crypto market. So that is why when you are trading BTC, please stop using Forex Factory. You are giving yourself unnecessary headache. Now, let me just summarize that of this month so that you see the amount of times you would have just ignored certain news. All right, if you are to be using cryptocrafts. Now if you can see over here, these are the high impact news USDs for this particular month on Forex Factory, and you can see that there are lots of them that you would be paying attention to if you trading, if you are trading BTC. Meanwhile, if you go to the cryptocrafts platform, you select this month, you will see that you have lesser amounts of news to be worried about. So you can see over here, for example, as from Friday being, I think, today, right? all the way down to the end of this month, there is no fundamental in USD that you should be paying attention to. You might want to be paying attention to other things that's happening, or in the crypto space itself. But when it comes to USD news, you see that there's nothing you should be worried about over here. Meanwhile, on the Forex factory, going to the same dates from the 24th, you see that you have these news that are not actually relevant to BTC. So this is why you should be using cryptocraft if you want to be checking fundamentals while you are trading. All right, so guys, if you love this video, if you love videos like this, if you want me to also share a video about the website that you can use to check for updates on altcoins, and let me know in the comment section. All right, take care guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.